Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I'm a fitness trainer. And today I will just show you top 3 exercise for the press with gymnastic ball. So let's start.
For the first exercise, take a sitting position on the floor with the ball fixed between the feet. On exhalation, we perform twisting. On exhalation, we return to the starting position. For the second exercise, the starting position is the same, but the ball is fixed between the palms. Your task is to touch the ball to the floor without lowering your feet. Starting position, the ball is on the floor. Fixation on the buttocks and palms. Perform leg light, turn the ball without touching the floor with the feet.
And that's all. Gymnastic ball, it's really very cool. And subscribe to my channel, like and comment. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.